Hello, my name's Anna Owens and I'm the branch organiser for Euston Tower HMRC PCS branch. The reason I'm speaking to you today is because there was an announcement approximately a month ago that we were going to lose 13 staff through centralisation. Now, these people work in estates and support services. There was a lot of shock by this announcement because these are vital jobs that are necessary to the efficient running of Euston Tower. These individuals are the backbone because they provide support services in terms of postal services, they book rooms, they organise communal health and safety areas, and they're also responsible for getting our fire certificate upgraded every year. Without them, this building would be chaos. Now, the only reason that we've been told, because it's not just happening in our building, it's happening around the country, because that we've been told by departmental heads that they need to save approximately 5.5 million a year, and by cutting these jobs that is going to facilitate it. Now, on a general level, we're angry because if the departmental heads are talking about the need to save money at the moment, it was only last year that senior tax officials awarded themselves 23 million in bonuses. So we know it's not a matter of cost cutting, it's just where they are choosing to spend the money at the moment.
My name's Tony Owen. I work for the civil service now for 20 odd years. I started in the Ministry of Defence in '89. And I can just see the civil service grinding to a halt. The post was working fine. I don't see why there should be regional post rooms. It's like a community place, the post room. Everyone comes down to our place. The work's there for them. They have a chat, giggle. It's a nice place to be at the moment.
Hi, I'm Dave Plummer. I'm a rep for the PCS in Euston Tower. Recently we've had televisions installed. There's one in the lobby of this building and there are 11 others around the country. These televisions are supposed to relay useful information that we're all going to find fascinating. So far all they've told us is about the cleaning schedules we already know about and a lot of other useless information. These televisions, the initial installation of the first 12 cost about £7,000 each. Now the starting wage for the grades at the bottom who work in support services, their wage starts at about £13,000 a year. So in other words, those 12 televisions could have paid for 6 people to have a job for a year. Televisions no one wants, no one needs, and are of absolutely no use to anybody. Now these support staff have to walk past that screen every morning.
Keith Cleaver, worked for ESS for 7 years now in various post rooms and stationery. And I'd like to thank the union for giving me the opportunity really to express my disgust with the way ESS management have dealt with this issue of the staffing levels. They've shown no attitude towards their staff apart from a bad one, and they're treated us with absolute contempt. And we feel we do a job that is vitally important to the running of the Euston Tower and most offices where there is a post room.
The work that's currently being done by state and support services is work that has to be done. The thing is, at the moment they've got a dedicated team of people who know what they're doing, are experienced, quite enjoy their work, get on well together, and are very good at their jobs. All that this is going to do is mean that the work has to be done by other people who aren't experienced, who are working apart from each other, and it's going to take them away from other work that clearly needs doing, otherwise they wouldn't be here in the current climate. It's not going to save any money, it's just going to displace that expenditure to other departments and to other divisions within the organisation. It's not going to save any money, it's a complete waste of time. It's putting people through stress, it's putting people through hardship, it's likely to leave people out of work, and nothing is going to be saved.
Now, we've just finished phase 1 of the campaign, and basically now we're in the process of discussing how we move this campaign forward. Now, it may concern continual negotiations with management, or it may, dependent on how members feel about the issue, we may move into some form of industrial action. But one thing we do know is that these jobs are vital to the department. These are a much appreciated, valuable group of people, and we do not need to lose them at the moment, especially considering that this building, we've had 5 consultants who've been employed in the last year, outside consultants coming in and telling us how we need to work more efficiently. These individuals, on average, are paid £500 a day. We can employ 12 staff on that wage, and therefore my argument is, let's get rid of the consultants, let's get rid of these bonuses and use that money to employ ESS staff instead.